going to make some wild garlic pesto. I love pesto. I love it. I'm always buying it at the farmers markets or anywhere really. I just love it because it gives such taste to fish or some with cheese or with a salad or with pasta. It's just really, really nice. So off we go foraging again out the country roads and looking for the wild garlic. Now, if you don't know what it looks like, this is what it is like, but also you get a lovely smell. If you just rub your fingers along, you get the smell of the garlic from it. So this is these are the wild garlic, 150 grams of the wild garlic. We have, next one is a couple of cloves of garlic, so about 3 cloves of garlic here, 50 grams of parmesan cheese, about the juice of half a lemon, 50 grams of pine nuts to put protein into it and to fill us up, olive oil about 150 grams, or mils I should say, and that's it, 6 simple ingredients. So I'm going to chop the garlic up now and get it ready to put in my blender. So I take off the flour and I just chop it up very finely. That's the trick, nice and fine pieces of garlic. Nearly there, just a few more leaves to cut up. So make sure that you cut it really, really finely. That's what will make it so easy for you in the end to actually blend up the pesto. So I'll just keep going along here. I just want to point out something, the flour. Some people may use the flour, but I take it away. So I would just literally go up as far as here on all of them, cut them off like that, and I would just cut it all up like this. Really, really as small and fine as I possibly can. And you really want 150 grams then without the flour, and be ready to put all the ingredients then into the blender. Now I'd actually blend these first of all as well, the pine nuts, just to get them very, very fine. So all chopped up and ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this to my nutribullet or blender, whatever you have. So I'll add this in and I'll put in some of the olive oil, the whole lot of the olive oil, and we'll blend it all up then together before we add the other ingredients. I have my garlic and olive oil blended because that blends the whole lot together. I'm going to add in the 2 or 3 cloves of garlic, the parmesan cheese, and I was very lucky, I was able to buy this all grated, so it was ready to go. Parmesan cheese, my olive oil or my lemon juice, the juice of half of a lemon, and pine nuts, 50 grams of pine nuts. Now it could be a nice idea to actually toast them in the oven for 180 degrees for 5 or 6 minutes just to make them really nice. So there you go, and I have a little bit of olive oil left, and now I just blend it all together. So now it's all blended and ready to go. So there you go, the wild garlic pesto. It's so easy to make, so simple. You can pick up the wild garlic leaves when they're in season, normally early kind of spring, April, May time, all around the countryside. Pick them up and you can pick up all the other ingredients in the shops, and they are just so cheap and reasonable, and it's such a healthy, nutritious option. You can add it to fish, lovely white fish. You could add it to meat, you can add it to cheese, put it into your pasta. I'm not great with white fish myself, so I would definitely be putting some of this over my lovely white fish and loving it. And with the garlic boosting your immune, antiviral, everything like that, it's just such a good little dish to make. So I hope you enjoy it, and happy foraging.